Hi there, welcome to our channel. So at CES 2021, LG showcased its unique rollable display smartphone. Soon after that, there were reports stating LG's exit from smartphone market. An LG official said the company may be considering all possible measures including sale, withdrawal and downsizing of the smartphone business. The reason being the massive losses over the years and the fierce competition both in home market and the global market. Anyways, after that another report appeared where LG is considering moving 60% of its staff to other business units within the company or to other LG affiliate. And the future of the rest 40% of the staff was a mystery, but as it turns out the company wants to not completely exit, but focus on a few flagship models like the LG Wing handset and the upcoming LG Rollable that stands out from the rest in the market. So it's likely that the remaining 40% of the staff will be working on this. And now we have a new patent for the rollable phone which confirms LG is not exiting from the smartphone business, at least not for the LG's Explorer project. So as you are aware, this is a rollable phone which can expand to become a tablet instead of folding out into one. The idea behind this is to prevent creasing of the screen, but this rollable phone brings much more than that. As you can see in the patent, it has a secondary display on the back. So besides the main flexible display that can roll in and out, there's also a smaller display at the back of the handset mainly for photography since there is no visible selfie camera. But is it really required? Just imagine how much fingerprints and smudges it will collect. In any case, the secondary display is not the only thing. In addition, there are no visible buttons seen in patent images, suggesting that the entire device might rely on touch gestures for volume and power. And as much as I would love to see that, it's just for aesthetic purpose. Practically it doesn't work well, at least for now. Let's see what LG does. As for specifications, it will come with some impressive specs such as a 7.4-inch screen with 1600 by 2428 pixel resolution when fully rolled out, and a 6.8-inch 1080 by 2428 pixel when not, as well as a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, 16 gigs of RAM and a 4200 mAh battery. The camera module shown off in the patent has 3 lenses. This is a clear update to patents for the LG Rollable we have seen in the past, where no cameras were visible at all. And one source claims that the device will cost $2,359, which is much more than what foldable phones cost. That doesn't come as a surprise as we have seen more such first generation innovative handsets to be priced on higher side. So that's it for now. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.